Good day everyone, you are welcome to this video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit this video. Alright, I believe that most of us have been seeing this video on Facebook, on TikTok, whereby someone will take, it's just as if you are taking someone's glory, you want to add it to your own, and from there that person is going to take his glory back, his or her glory back. So it's just a simple video in which I'm going to show you step by step on how to edit it on CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So here on CapCut, go over to new project, and this is our video. So first of all, I'm going to mute this video. I don't want it to sound at all, talk at all. So go over to mute. So if you mute our video, so this is what I'm going to split the video from, and this is the ending. I want it to end like this, so I'm going to split it. I'm going to delete the rest. Delete. Correct. So I'm going to be using this effect. Alright, you can download any effect. Alright, so I'm going to go over to overlay, add overlay. So I'm going to be using this effect. So add this. So once I add this, so you can use the video. Alright, but let's just use a picture. First of all, let's freeze it. Go over to freeze. Let me use picture. Over to freeze. I actually screen recorded this thing from my YouTube, as you can see. So go over to freeze. Good, I'll freeze it. So let's delete this part. Select this, delete it. Select this one, delete it. So we freeze it. Now tap on this and go over to mask. Go over to mask. Please follow this process carefully. Go over to mask. So once you go over to mask, tap on circle. So immediately on tap on circle, is going to come up like this. So you're going to move it to that effect you want to use. So you're going to use this, adjust it like this. You see those two arrows? You're going to use it to adjust it. Good. So we're going to move it like this. Good. So I'm going to mark it. So we are going to have it like this. Alright. Good. So what I'm going to do is, at this point that this guy put his hand on that, the other guy's head, so we are going to move this one to that point. So you are going to tap on it, extend it forward a little bit. Good. So once you extend it forward, so at this point you are going to move this one here, move it here, and give it a keyframe. Tap on keyframe. So you can use your two fingers to expand the timeline like this, so that you can be able to apply the keyframe very well. Good. We are going to do it like this. So move it forward. This is it. Can you see? So you are going to do it like this. Can you see? This is it. Just to make sure it is the keyframe, it is well set. As you are moving forward, you are adjusting this effect. Can you see? Just as if you are carrying someone's glory. Yes, this is it. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm moving the video forward. I'm also adjusting this effect to fit into the hand. Automatically the keyframe is going to set in. Immediately you've already tapped on keyframe from the beginning, so automatically the keyframe will be applied. This is it. Can you see? This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay. Can you see? This is it. So you are going to use your two fingers to make it look small at this point. Okay, this is it. So you are going to use your two fingers to the side so that it will look very small. Good. So from here, where it ends here, so you are going to split it. So you're going to split this one, split. So once you split it, you are going to move it forward. So you are going to have it like this. Can you see? Can you see? Good. So once you are done with that, so let's move it for the second part. The second part. So let's move it forward. Okay, now let's move it to this point. Good. So from this point, you're going to use your two finger to zoom it. We want the effect to look big again. This is it. So tap on it. The effect, you're going to give it a keyframe. Move it forward. You're going to move it up like this. Zoom it. You're going to move it up like this. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. You're going to move it up like this. You're going to move it down like this. So you're going to make it look small. I'm going to bring it like this. Bring it like this. Good. So from this point, we are going to split it and delete the rest. So you're going to have it like this. Can you see? So once you are done, from this point that this man opens his mouth like surprised. All right, so what you're going to do is, from this point, I'm going to split it. So once I split it, let's use our two fingers to close the timeline so that it won't look like as if the video is too long. Okay, if you expand the timeline, it will expand the video so that you'll be able to split out any unwanted part that you don't want, so you'll be able to see it clearly, so that you'll be able to split it very well. That is the essence of we expanding this timeline. As you can see, when I want to apply the keyframe, I have to expand it so that I'll be able to set the keyframe very well. You understand? So that's just it. So at this point that this man open his mouth, you now move it forward a little bit. Let's split it again. Go over to your adjust. Go over to saturation and bring it to -50. You want to turn it to black and white. So once you do that, you are going to go over to speed. You want to reduce the speed. So you're going to have it like this. Let's play everything from beginning. Can you see? Can you see? That's it. Can you see? Can you see? So this is how to edit this video. Please, once you are done with this, all you just need to do is to add your sound, add your text. If you are yet to watch that video where I show you step by step on how to add sound to your comedy video, to your videos, the video is going to display after this video. Make sure you watch that video step by step. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So once you are done, come over here, increase your resolution to 1080p or 4K and export your video. Please don't forget to drop your comments, share this video to as many groups as possible. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next video.